Welcome to the LGBT Tech Summit 23.
Being queer in tech means not making any kind of sacrifices about your identity and embracing our individuality in the workplace and the power that it brings.
We need to have more queerness in the tech space because we need to be ourselves.
I'm encountering a lot of people who are interested in switching jobs because diversity is still an issue in their current company. It shouldn't be that way.
Working in tech gives me the ability to innovate and also on the other side, like make a living and make my dreams a reality.
So we have our own diversity recruiting strategy and we want to find new talents for IT and tech positions and we want to show up.
Companies just making the initiative of being inclusive means that we are moving forward towards a world that will be more tolerant and more inclusive.
You have a few companies who are already in this journey of going forward with diversity and to actually work towards making tech a more queerer, safer space for everyone.
I'm not the best person at networking. That's also one of the reasons why I'm here, so I can learn better how to network.
Very safe space, with very friendly space, very comfortable space, a lot of opportunities of any kind. That's what Unicorn in Tech kind of guarantees at the moment.
It's not all serious and boring. You can still talk about serious topics without being boring.
Yeah, so.
We just hope that regardless of if it's a visitor or a speaker or an exhibitor, that everybody goes home feeling that bit more empowered.
Tech is advancement. Being queer, being part of the LGBT community is also advancement. Who better to innovate than queer people?
See you in 2024!